I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin daily chart. So make sure to watch this video all the way to the very end. We nailed a banger from yesterday and the day before. We're going to go over those ideas. And I've got a ton of really simple trading strategies that are going to help you make a lot of money. We're going to talk about meme coins, DOGE, SHIB, ELON in just a second. So Bitcoin daily chart. So right now, Bitcoin's been pushing higher and it's at this mid-range, right? So you see rejection here, here's support, right? You understand, like, this price action, all the sellers are right here. So Bitcoin needs to flip this level and you can see a move to 24,500, okay? There is some resistance also at 22,500. So we're looking for those ideas. We're going to zoom in. Totally normal to see some type of pullback to this is support right here now. Totally normal, okay? I mean, you want Bitcoin fast as possible just to take off and flip this level and just Moon City run up to 24,500. But if it does pull back, completely healthy, right? You just want to make sure all the buyers are sitting right here. When you're trading, it's about, well, hey, what is everybody else going to do? Not what should I do, right? So always try to think a couple moves ahead and think and understand what everybody else is doing. So this is not open right now, but CME futures had this move where, I mean, potentially it broke out and then it was a bull trap and then it did regain this level. So the bulls regained this level. They just need to hold this level and flip it as support. So when Sunday night comes, you want to see 21,000 held by the Bitcoin bulls. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, KSM. So I gave you guys KSM on yesterday and it broke out up 14.5%. And this person put 10x leverage behind it. I teach 134% gains. Banger. This person, young lady, she's up $375,000 since she joined the group. She's paying for her college now. This person nailed Matic for over 100%. This person doubled his money in the last 2 weeks. You've got to make the money when the market is good. I can help you. And then banger after banger. So this is today, last 24 hours, tons of double-digit bangers, 121% out of Dora. Day before, we nailed BAN for 231% total so far. And again, 8 or 9 bangers every single day. Right now, for the next 30 hours until Sunday night at 12 a.m., I'm going to do $200 off discount and 60% off, but you have to join for the year in crypto. That's it. Only doing it on that, and it's about to run out on Sunday night, so sign up now. I had so many people rejoining the group, coming back. I'm going to make sure you're in the best setups, period. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. If you have any questions about joining, send me an email, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. This Matic, gave it to you guys a couple days ago. Remember this? Breakout to the upside. 35% freebie. Banger. This is the ES1. So ES1 stocks broke lower, bounced, and I mean, you basically assume this is going to be in some type of downtrend. The most important thing is that you get a higher low put in, higher than this previous low. That would be ideas for a macro reversal. If you don't get a higher low, you get a lower low, then again, your next high is going to be a lower high more than likely. And this downtrend just continues for stocks. And, you know, the Fed is super hawkish. They're trying to stop inflation and they're going to do it at any cost, they said. And Powell came out and he said, hey, I don't care. You do not need to be thinking that we're going to soften our stance right now. Investors shouldn't be thinking we're going to pivot. Total altcoin market cap, total 2, right? Completely nailed this idea on Twitter. I posted a video of a previous YouTube video and I nailed it with you guys. And a lot of people were like, well, when do I load altcoins? How do I know when to start midterm holding? And so understand that after this breakout, we didn't have amazing volume, right? But the volume came in shortly after and this thing started to take off. So in a falling wedge, total altcoin market cap, anytime you get a big pattern on total altcoin market cap, you're going to get an altcoin rally when it breaks out. Okay, so write that on your whiteboard. Don't miss it next time. Okay, now you're at resistance. You could get some type of pullback, be totally normal, but we just have to see what happens on Monday. And then I'll play the short clip on Twitter where I completely nailed this entire idea. When this is the altcoin market cap, total 2. When the altcoins break out of this pattern, and they're right here, key bounce off support, when they break out of this pattern, I mean, you could see a move, about an 8% move up to this resistance level, a breakout above this level. You know, you could see 27% move higher out of the altcoins. If you load altcoins on a total 2 breakout, okay, that's part of your strategy now. Write it down. Make it part of your strategy. Load altcoins. Everyone's like, well, when do I buy? When do I buy? Well, listen, when this thing breaks out higher next time, you'll know. And dollar not open right now, but was rejected. You don't want to see this thing bounce here at one of these. You know, there's a bunch of support in this area. So if this bounces, altcoins, Bitcoin take a hit. Litecoin was the reason why I posted so many setups, and we nailed them in group because it was the leading indicator. Out of the blue, Litecoin started pumping, and I started posting altcoin setups, double-digit gainers, right? And so understand that you have to be able to determine, okay, when this happens, what is this telling us? And people need guidance on a level where they're able to stay up to date. You know, that's what I do in the group. It's like constantly reminding people of these ideas and, hey, this is happening and here's what we're looking for. So people, and again, I got a team of traders that helped me do it as well. KSM yesterday gave you guys this idea. Look, you're running out of room. You're at the apex of the pattern, KSM, ready to break out. This is up 13, actually more about 14% in a day. 14%, banger. Understand that it's easy to identify really strong altcoins when they're above the 200 simple moving average. I like to use the 4 hour. And so if we go and we look at Matic, for example, see how, okay, so the 200 simple is this yellow line, right? So when it breaks and holds above it, and especially bullish retest, a lot stronger, because look what happens when Matic is below the 200 simple. When it's below, it's a downtrend, so it's weak. And so once it flips it, you can buy based on that idea and you'll make a ton of money. Just general idea, write this down, trading strategy, right? One question I have for you guys, leave a comment in the comment box. Do you guys chart these coins? Are you going through using any type of program, Tradingview? There's a link in the description. It's like a map, right? You have to chart these coins. There's a lot of different ways to get any direction using a map. But if you at least understand these are the possibilities, you're going to have a super high win rate because you know what's most possible. Understand that it only takes one coin to change your life forever. And what we were talking about is, so these meme coins. Follow me on Twitter, cryptobitcoinchris. So this is Doge, this is last season. And when I say a strong altcoin pattern, I want to pair a strong altcoin pattern with news and hype. And that's going to give you your biggest bangers. And so this was when Doge ran to all-time highs, right? 70, 80 cents. It was at 28 cents. Said I missed Doge 8 out of 10 times altcoin seasons, right? This is previous altcoin season, August 2021. I said not today. So look, you have this Adam, Eve, double bottom, and then a falling wedge. Remember, we said we like those. And then you got the double bottom here, right? This thing broke out, obviously ran to sky rocket city. Understand, like, you got a strong technical pattern, and there was so much hype over the meme coins. Then I nailed SHIB after this for 800% gains because Doge and SHIB likes to follow Doge and vice versa, right? So when the meme coins, then I nailed ELON for a couple 100% because, you know, when Elon's tweeting, Doge, SHIB, like, so understand there's a hype factor. Where the attention goes, the money flows. I remember years ago, people would argue back and forth like, hey, this coin's got the most utility. This coin's going to be adopted. This one's got the most utility. And then these meme coins are making people filthy rich. It's about the hype. This is a game where you're following the money flow in order to make a ton of money. Here's SHIB from 2021. I'm like, hey, lots of upside. If this breaks higher, 100% profit potential. And this thing ran up 800%, right? And so after these long accumulations, after this market does absolutely nothing for an extended period of time, these coins pop and you get your bull market rallies, your altcoin cycles, and that's where the easiest money in this market is made, right? And so it takes a lot of patience, but during the accumulation phases, you can make a lot of money to build up your bag. So then you have a bunch of capital. I mean, if you have $1,000, you go to the bull market, you're going to make some, make 10,000, 15,000. But if you have 10,000, you're making 10 times more. You've got to have the capital. And so right now is a time when you build that capital. So it's very important to take advantage of the market right now. Again, just to remind you, for about 35 hours, 1 year signups only to the group, cryptorev.net, $200 off and 60% off the trading group. Lowest price ever. Now's your chance. Then we're shutting it down. Bang. And if you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.